what about any digital marketing as far as the ads that follow you through Facebook and wherever else you're at? Do you have anyone doing that or any experience with that?
So I know that people have quite a bit of success with that for retail stuff, especially if you're using Google AdWords, like if people are looking things up. To be perfectly honest with you, Brent, I don't know a ton of people who are doing that successfully on Facebook. It doesn't mean that there isn't a way, but usually, like what I learned back when I was actually selling roofs and doing some Facebook marketing, we weren't trying to. What we were trying to do was instead of trying to get people to sign up for a free inspection, because again, it's hard to get people to get to that, like, oh, we might need that, right? It's hard to get them there without being there in person. So what we were doing was just collecting leads like, hey, if you live in this zip code, we're your local, roofing contractor company, whatever. Enter your email below for a chance to win. We're giving away a free Google TV. We're giving away a free iPad. Enter below. And now you're creating this massive list because people want an opportunity to win a free iPad from their local contractor, don't they? So now you're collecting names, numbers. Now you have a list. Now you can market to that list. So instead of having one shot while somebody is speeding through Facebook on their phone with one little ad that has a picture of a tornado on it, okay, you're getting them to raise their hand, give you their contact information, and now you can market to them. Hey, so email one might be, hey, thanks for signing up. We're doing the drawing on this day. We'll be sure to let you know. By the way, let me introduce myself and my team. I'm Brent. I live in this area, yada, yada. Message number two, hey team, we wanted to share with you a picture of the hail swath. This is actually a storm that happened in our area, and you're going to know that they're in that area because you're specifically marketing on Facebook to people who live in those zip codes, right? So you say, this is a picture of a hail swath. This is pretty cool technology that we have, and we use it all the time to see where the biggest damage is. Turns out you actually live smack dab in this area. Like, you probably saw a lot of leaves on the ground. Maybe you ran out and saw damage to your car. We've actually done a lot of hail inspections. Tomorrow, we're going to send you an email about what to look for. And then you might send them a picture. Do you guys see any dents in your downspouts or your gutters? If you see stuff like this, you might actually have hail damage on your roof. Hail damage on your roof is pretty hard to see to the naked, untrained eye. But here's kind of what happens. If you want a free inspection, so then the third email is boom. So in internet marketing, we call it jab, 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 punch. And so jab, jab, jab is value, value, value. And your punch is offer. Okay? So give them value, get their wheels turning, and then you send them an offer. Click here for a free inspection. We'll pop over, no contact, no strings attached. We'll climb up on your roof and let you know what's going on up there. So that's what I would see would be the most effective way, but just blasting out an ad or blasting out a mailer and hoping that people are going to call. Yes, some people will, but you're going to get so few compared to what you're looking for.